Okay, so here it is. We got our vinyl cutter in today. The VinylEXPRESS R Series vinyl plotter from the signwarehouse.com. So, let's open it up. Okay. Now that we got it open, let's take a look, see what it came with. Package of like a couple signs right here. So there's a CD, this magazine. Oh, bunch of glitters and stuff to order stuff. Some banners. 3 banners. I think they were 24 by 48. Here's the sticky adhesive for stickers. Comes with 2 of those. And this is all the vinyl that it came with. Some white, some red, some yellow, some black, and blue. Pause it real quick.
No.
This is actually the transfer tape for the stickers. Good size roll of vinyl. Self-adhesive, so you can make stickers out of this. Blue, black, yellow, red, and white. Because this is your software, do not discard. But there's nothing in it, so hopefully it's in here somewhere. Still got a couple more other things here. Accessories. Comes with the cover for the plotter. Vinyl cutter. Three blades, 4 blades actually, because there's one already in there. Tape measure. The hardware for the legs. Some wheels. USB. VGA cable, power cable. So here, this is the software right here. So right here, and it has my code in the back here that I'm gonna put in once I download it. So we'll put this up here. This right here looks like it's the hardware for the legs. Legs for that. This is a R Series test cut. This was cut on your vinyl cutter. So this was actually, I guess, was cut with this vinyl cutter before they sent it to give it a test. So it looks like it's working. So let's get this out of here. Alright, so we got it out of the box. It's pretty big. Actually, it's really big. .31" That's a 31" cutter, so...
You don't have to...
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this thing together. I learned this magic trick that if I snap my fingers, it'll be put together. So let me try. Hold on. Maybe I'm not doing it right. I don't know. It's not working.
Dad, let me show you how to do it. Told you.
Dang. Thanks. All right. Let me get this into position. Let me get this thing into position. And set up the the software on my computer, and we'll print out a sticker. But here it is. Got some wheels on there. The rollers for the vinyl right here. Haven't put the blade in there, but I'll put it in there in a minute. Okay, so I got it right here set up to where I'm going to have it in a stationary spot. I've already installed the software on the computer. Here's what the interface looks like. VinylEXPRESS Expert. Alright, so what I'm going to do is come with a... For the blade, I'm going to install the blade in there. Have the ruler, which is going to go right here. I'm going to put that on there. The blade came with 2 extra ones. Holder. And here's the blade, the actual blade. Let's take this plastic thing off. There's the blade right there. Nothing's hole. Till it pokes out just a little bit. Alright, when installing the blade, it says to keep it about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch above the cutting surface. That's about close enough. The blade, you don't want it to stick out too far when you're cutting through. You want to cut through the vinyl, not the backing, to make it easier to weed. So it's a 31-inch cutter, goes all the way to 31 inches, but the cut head only goes to about 28. So you lose about 2 inches, right? Well, 3 inches. So from 28 to 31, you can't cut there. But it does go all the way to about 1/2 inch over here. So out of the whole 31 inches, you probably lose 3.5, but it's okay. Turn it on real quick, see how it runs. So right now we're online, and when you're online, it says you can adjust the speed and the pressure. So up and down will adjust the speed, and then the left and right should move the pressure. Alright, now we're gonna go offline. So when you go offline, it says that these buttons now will work for the cutter head and the roller right here. So left to right should move this. And then up and down would be the roller to feed your vinyl. So let's get it to focus. Looks like it's working. No problem so far. Okay, so I was just gonna set it up, but I'm gonna go through a tutorial on how to set it up real quick. So you're gonna right click here, device manager, and then you want to find what port it's working with. So we're gonna come to the USB ports, expand it. Mine's working with you're gonna expand it, and mine's working with USB port COM07. So you just gotta remember this right here. and then we'll set it up to work with the production manager. Okay, let me open up that. Alright, now that I got it open, it's gonna ask us what is the brand of your vinyl cutter, and it's going to be VinylEXPRESS. VinylEXPRESS right there. And then it's gonna ask you what is the name of your VinylEXPRESS, and that is the R Series. I got the R Series II 31. So let's hit next. Asking me what do you want to call it, so I'm gonna rename this to Heart and Hustle. And then R Series 2 R31 was connected to COM7, so we got that. We're gonna click finish, and now we're gonna open up our LXI Express, and then we're gonna do a test cut to see what happens. So we'll just do something simple. We'll just do a test right there. We'll do real small, so this 2 inches, we're gonna do like 1 inch. Then we're gonna come up here to the top right here where the little icon is for the blade. We're gonna click that. Click OK. And as you can see right here, the cut plot is set to what we named it, Heart and Hustle at COM7. Then down here at the bottom, it shows what we are going to print. You can zoom in, and there it is right there. I'm going to change this font because it's like a sports font, and it's going to do a lot of cuts. I just want something simple. So here we can change this to something easy. Just go to right there. Alright, so come back. Zoom in here. Zoom into all objects. So we did that. So it's a simple cut. And let's see if it's going to cut. Alright, so there's the first cut. Let's pull this out. A little test cut there. Pull this out. Do the quick cut. Nobody can really see it, but it says, see a little out there, it is test. So let's I'm gonna grab a weeding tool and weed this out, see how it looks. Right, so let's see. There it is, not bad. First cut with the VinylEXPRESS R Series II. I got it. Okay, so that was my first cut. The test right there, as y'all saw. I put it on there to remind me that's my first one. So I'm gonna start this up now. I'm gonna continue with this the LXI program. There's not many videos on there on how-tos, so I'm gonna just mess around with it and try to learn the different functions that it has. But as for the VinylEXPRESS R2 series, it's not bad. It's a beginner one for me. And stay tuned for something, my first piece, I guess. I got a customer that wants something, so I'm gonna draw it up for him and then print it out. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.